Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun we're going to be looking at this. Now this is the BOYA Mini. It's a radio mic. It's designed mainly for use with mobile phones. It's got the USB-C connection on the receiver, so it has to be a USB-C type phone. And it's a relatively cheap device, but it gives you fairly good audio if you want to use your mobile phone to take video and have a sort of an audio radio mic option that's not going to cost too much. So like all my videos, let's get it out the packaging, see how good it is, and I'll give you a sound test and see if it's worth getting or not. First thing out the packaging, of course, is a very basic manual on how to operate it and a little warranty card. They are the first things out that packaging. Next, it does come with a USB to USB-C charging cable just to charge the device because it has got internal batteries, and they include that cable, but you can also get your own if you don't like this particular cable that they give you. But that is included in the packaging too. And finally, we've got the device itself, and as you can see, it's very compact. They've basically gone for the earpod type look, and they've put it in this little box here, which also acts as the charging box. It's got the USB-C port on the other side, and basically you pull them out. So you've got your receiver here, and you've got two mic transmitters, which you can clip on yourself and pair them with the receiver in your phone so that you can actually use this to record the audio into your phone instead of using the onboard audio from the phone. So everything looks pretty decent. So next, let's do a quick audio test to see what it's like, and then I'll give you my thoughts at the end of the video.
The other cool thing about this microphone is you can use it to change your voice. I've now got it set for very deep voice, so this will give you a sound test of that capability.
I've now set the microphone to make my voice sound in a higher pitch. So this is what this sounds like if you want to use this feature as well.
Hello, hopefully my voice is normal now, and this is what it normally sounds like when you use the microphone with the normal voice setting. So overall the audio is not bad. I mean, it is using like a Bluetooth type technology, and the audio from this is reasonable, not brilliant, but definitely usable and definitely better than the onboard audio you'd get from your actual phone. And the fact that you can move this quite close to yourself to get the audio is also a good idea, because you can actually have the mic placed nearer to where you're talking. And the price of this is very reasonable. So as an extra sort of creative tool that you might want in your arsenal for doing videos on the go with your phone, this is definitely something I could recommend. There are plenty of other models and versions of this type of unit out there, but this one is particularly relatively cheap and does work fairly well. So for me, it's definitely a recommendation. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.